How are you all? I hope that you all are fine. My name is Birra Nirali from Saraswati Group of Education, and today in this session we are going to learn a new grammar topic, that is degrees of comparison. So what are the degrees of comparison? So let me tell you that you might have seen words like this: small, smaller, smallest, big, bigger, biggest. You might have seen such words. आपने ऐसे कुछ words देखे होंगे, right? तो what is this? These are the degrees of comparison. इसको हम degrees of comparison बोलते हैं. Now we are having 3 degrees. हमें ये 3 degrees है, 1, 2 and 3. And each degree is having its own name. हर एक degree को एक name दिया गया है, right? Such as the first one, this is positive degree, which this is positive degree. Now this one, this is comparative degree. This is comparative degree. And the last one, this is superlative degree. And the last is superlative degree. So we have 3 degrees, that is positive, comparative and superlative degree. Right? Now this positive degree. So now you got to know about all these things. Right? So now we are going to understand about each of these degrees. Okay? अब हम ये सारी degrees को हम now we will understood about that. What is the meaning and how we are going to use it? What is positive degree? What is comparative degree? Right? And what is superlative degree? So we are going to discuss about that. So first is positive degree. Positive degree. Now in positive degree of an adjective denotes the mere existence of some quality It is used when no comparison is made. It is used when no comparison is made. Right? So what is that? Positive degree tells you that positive degree denotes the mere existence of some quality. कि कोई भी क्वालिटी का एक एक्चुअल जो रूट वर्ड, जो उसका एक्चुअल जो वर्ड है, उसका जो एक्चुअल एग्जिस्टेंस है, कोई भी क्वालिटी, इट डिनोट्स दैट एंड इट इज यूज्ड व्हेन नो कंपैरिजन इज मेड. पॉजिटिव डिग्री का यूज हम कैसे करते हैं कि जब भी कोई भी कंपैरिजन नहीं होता, जब भी कभी हम कोई कंपैरिजन नहीं करते, कोई भी चीज का हम चलो ये अच्छी है या ये वाली, which mark, yes I am having 2 markers. Now which marker is good, this or this? तो ये यहाँ पे मैंने ये कंपैरिजन कर ली ना कि this marker is better than this. ये मार्कर अच्छी है इससे. So यहाँ पे मैंने कंपैरिजन की. तो जब हम कंपैरिजन नहीं करने वाले हैं तब ये पॉजिटिव डिग्री का यूज होगा. ठीक है? So this is about positive. Then comes comparative degree. Comparative comparative degree, right? So this is comparative degree. Now denotes a higher degree of the quality, a higher degree of the quality, a higher degree of the quality than positive, It is used when two things are compared. It is used when two things are compared. So what comparative degree denotes? Comparative degree denotes a higher degree of the quality. ये हमारी फर्स्ट क्वालिटी है. अब इससे कोई हायर क्वालिटी की हम बात करते हैं, then comes comparative degree. So it is denoting a higher degree of the quality than positive. पॉजिटिव से थोड़ी ऊंची हुई. एंड ये कब यूज होती है? इट इज यूज्ड व्हेन टू थिंग्स आर कंपेयर्ड. यानी कि कंपैरेटिव डिग्री, द नेम इटसेल्फ इज सेइंग कंपेयर. तो ये कब यूज होगा? जब हम दो चीजों को कंपेयर करने वाले हैं. At that time we are going to use comparative degree. Okay, when we are going to compare two things, at that time we are going to use the comparative degree, right? Now the next degree is superlative degree. So, what is superlative degree? What it stands for? Denotes the higher degree of the quality. Denotes the higher degree of the quality. It is used when two or more than two things are compared. When more than two things are compared. So सुपरलेटिव डिग्री जो है वो भी हायर डिग्री ऑफ द क्वालिटी हुई. ये दोनों से सबसे ऊंची सुपरलेटिव. नाउ ये कब यूज होंगी? इट इज यूज्ड व्हेन, ये कहां पे यूज होगी? मोर देन टू थिंग्स आर कंपेयर्ड. यानी कि दो से ज्यादा, यानी कि तीन और उससे ज्यादा कोई चीज को हमें कंपेयर करना है. वी हैव टू सिलेक्ट द बेस्ट आउट ऑफ 3, राइट? अगर हम, मेरे पास 3 मार्कर है और तीनों में से सबसे अच्छी वाली कौन सी है? सो मेरी कंपैरिजन ये 3 मार्कर में हुई. सो 2 से ज्यादा हम जिस कोई भी कंपैरिजन सिलेक्ट करके उसमें से बेस्ट निकालते, देन एट दैट टाइम वी आर गोइंग टू यूज द सुपरलेटिव डिग्री. तब उस समय हम सुपरलेटिव डिग्री का यूज करेंगे, राइट? सो नाउ लेट अस अगेन वॉच इट आउट. व्हाट इज पॉजिटिव, कंपैरेटिव एंड सुपरलेटिव डिग्री? Positive degree denotes the mere existence of some quality. कोई भी quality का mere means actual जो existence है वो. It is used when no comparison is made. यानी कि कब यूज होगा? No comparison is made. जब कोई भी comparison नहीं होगा उस वक्त हम positive degree का यूज करेंगे. Then comes comparative degree, denotes a higher degree of the quality then positivity. It denotes a higher quality and it is used when two things are compared. Comparative degree कब यूज होगी? When, जब हम दो चीजों का comparison करेंगे. When two things are compared. And then comes superlative degree. It also denotes the higher degree of the quality and it it is used when more than two things are compared. सुपरलेटिव डिग्री कब यूज होगी? जब दो से ज्यादा चीज को हम कंपेयर करेंगे तब हम सुपरलेटिव डिग्री का यूज करेंगे. So more than two things are compared. So these are the key words to remember about the degrees. Now pause the video and note down this definition. यानी कि आप वीडियो को पॉज करके ये जो डेफिनेशन है पॉजिटिव, कंपैरेटिव एंड सुपरलेटिव डिग्री की, वो आप नोट डाउन कर लो अपनी बुक में. Okay, so I hope that you have noted down this in your book and you have understood about this, right? So now let me tell you that the different forms of an adjective, as we have understood, right, are called degrees of comparison. कि adjectives ये what are these degrees? In degrees में कौन से word आते हैं? जो adjectives में जो words include होते हैं वही words यहाँ पे degrees में आते हैं, right? So such that is known as degrees of comparison. Here they show the now the positive degree is used to speak about one person or thing. यानी कि कोई भी एक पर्सन या थिंग के बारे में जब हम बोलते हैं तब हम पॉजिटिव डिग्री का यूज करेंगे, राइट? One person or a thing, positive degree. Then comparative degree is used to compare two persons or things. Two things are compared, right? And the superlative degree is used to compare more than two persons or things. More than two things are compared, right? So this is all about our degree. Now when you are understanding about the degree, there are some rules कि उसमें भी कई rules होते हैं कि कब आपको कैसे कौन सा word add करना है, right? जैसे हम past tense में learn करते थे कि when this word is ending with y, but when the word is ending with y, कोई भी word y से end होते हैं, हमने singular plural में भी पढ़ा था कि y से end होते हैं तो y को कट करके हम i e s लगाते हैं, right? तो उसमें भी कैसे rules थे? In that way only we are having the rules in degrees also, right? So now we are going to understand about that. Okay, so now before moving to our rules of some comparative and superlative degree, the formation of superlative and comparative degree, let's revise it again about this. Positive degree denotes the mere existence of some quality. It is used when no comparison is made and one, for example, one person or a thing के लिए हम positive degree का use करते हैं. Then comes comparative degree. Comparative degree denotes a higher degree of the quality than positive. It denotes a higher degree and it is used when two things are compared. And then comes superlative degree. It denotes the higher degree of the quality and it is used when more than two things are compared. और ये कब यूज होगा? when दो से ज्यादा things को हम compare, चीजें या person को compare करने के लिए हम ये superlative degree का यूज करेंगे, more than two. Okay? So this is all about our definition and the basic introduction of the degrees of comparison, right? Now comes the formation of comparative and superlative degree. Formation of comparative and superlative degree. Formation of comparative and superlative degree. Now what is this formation? just now as I told you that हम जैसे सिंगुलर और प्लूरल जब हम लर्न करते हैं तो हम कुछ रूल्स हम समझते हैं, राइट? वी आर गेटिंग सम रूल्स, वी आर लर्निंग सम रूल्स दैट व्हेन द वर्ड इज एंडिंग विथ y, बट जब the last word is ending with y but the previous letter is consonant, then we are supposed to cut the y and we will add ies. ऐसे कुछ सारे हमने rules हम we have learned, right? So in that way only हम जब positive degree जो हमारी actual word है तो उसमें से positive में से हम जब comparative and superlative degree में जब हम formation उसका change करेंगे तो उसके लिए कई सारे rules है. So we need to understand such rules to understand about this, right? Then and then only you can easily identify all these things. So the very first rule is by adding er and est to the positive degree. By adding er and est to the positive degree कि हम सबसे पहला रूल er and est को ऐड करेंगे पॉजिटिव डिग्री में. तो वो तो जैसे हम सिंपली जब करते हैं वैसे ही. फॉर एग्जाम्पल दिस इज पॉजिटिव, comparative and superlative. I have just written the first letter. Now small, smaller, smallest, then thick, thicker, thickest, strong, stronger, strongest, long, longer, longest. So you can see over here that we have just added er and est to the comparative and superlative degree. In comparative degree we will add er. comparative degree में हम er ऐड करेंगे and superlative degree में हम est ऐड करेंगे. ओके, सो पॉजिटिव डिग्री हमारी स्मॉल है तो comparative डिग्री में हमें er ऐड करना है तो क्या हो जाएगा स्मॉलर, and superlative degree में we are going to add est. So what it will become? It will become smallest. The same goes with this thick. Comparative degree er, thicker. Superlative degree est, so thickest. The next strong, stronger, strongest, est. Now long, longer, er, longest, est. So kids, now you need to remember, आप लोगों को एक बार अपने माइंड में रखनी है कि जब कंपैरेटिव पॉजिटिव से कंपैरेटिव में हम ट्रांसफर करते हैं वी विल ऐड er, हम er ऐड करेंगे और जब सुपरलेटिव में हम कन्वर्ट करेंगे तब हम est का ऐड करेंगे. ठीक है, सो दिस वाज आवर फर्स्ट एंड द फोरमोस्ट बेसिक रूल कि सब एकदम बेसिक रूल था हमारा ये er and est को ऐड करना. Okay, so now you can pause the video and now you can copy it down in your book. Okay, so I hope that you have copied it down in your book. आप लोगों ने अपनी बुक में ये कॉपी कर लिया होगा, right? So now let's see next. Okay, so now next we are having many rules. अब हमारे पास बहुत सारे rules है, right? 2, 3, 4. But in today's session, we are going to learn only one rule, and we have understood about the basic introduction of degrees of comparison, right? So now rest of the rules, जो हमारे दूसरे जो सारे rules है वो हम next session में learn करने वाले हैं. Okay? So in today's session, what we have learned, we have understood about what are the degrees of comparison, and we have understood that we are having 3 degrees, that is positive, comparative and superlative degree. And we have also understood that when we are going to use positive degree, when no comparison is made, then when comparative degree is used, when two things are getting compared, and when superlative degree is used, when more than two things have been compared, at that time superlative degree is used. So we have understood about that thing, and we have also seen our first and the basic rule, that is by adding ER and EST to the positive degree. जब हम ER ऐड करेंगे तो हमारी वो comparative degree हो जाएगी, और अगर हम EST ऐड करेंगे तो हमारी वो superlative degree हो जाएगी. Okay, so we have seen this. Now the rest of the rules and the rest of the things we are going to study in the next session. So I hope that you have understood everything, and still if you don't understand anything, then just go through the video again, कि वीडियो को फिर से देखो, so that you will get an idea कि आप लोगों को समझ में आ जाएगा. ठीक है? So this was all about today's session, and I hope you all enjoyed it. So now until we meet again in the next session, till then, bye everyone. Thank you and take good care of yourself.